I have 18 plus coffee filter hacks that you are gonna wanna know. And yes, I got these from one of my favorites, the Dollar Tree. Let's see how these compare to some of the best-selling products on Amazon. Also, let me know in that comments box below how many you knew of these out of the over 18. For this first genius cleaning hack, here's what you'll need. A couple of rubber bands, a couple of coffee filters, depending upon the job, and I love this Dollar Tree cleaning vinegar. Woo-wee, look at all that. Just a spoonful of vinegar makes everything all right. Now let this sit for as long as humanly possible, and then here is the best part. Just take your rubber bands to pull this off. Look, it basically cleaned itself. I have not done any scrubbing, but you can take your coffee filter and then go in and get the remnants. Dun-da-da, so much better. I'm gonna solve just about every problem that you've ever had in your life with simple Dollar Tree coffee filters. All right, put it at the bottom of your flower pot. That way you keep the dirt in without escaping through these holes, but you keep the water out so that you do not drown your plant. With this little trick, you will surely have a green thumb coming from someone who kills just about everything. Smelly shoes. I have 2 boys, 3 if you count my husband. All right, first we need to kill the bacteria. Oh yeah, these are real stanky. Just a little rubbing alcohol in here. You can do straight up rubbing alcohol or mix it with some water, and then baking soda. By the way, you ever heard of a grip stick? It's my favorite bag sealer. Anything I talk about, we linked in the description box below. And then put these in your shoes overnight. I also like to poke a couple of holes in there. Now I did find an excellent foot spray with over 14,000 ratings for a foot spray and 4.5 stars. So which will you decide? The Dollar Tree option or Amazon? And if you want to jazz up these foot sachets a little bit more, just add some of your favorite essential oils such as lavender or lemon. Need to protect your precious china or dishware? Just go ahead, grab your coffee filter, put it in between the items. I'm going to show you why this works so well. I did find an alternative here on Amazon that had 4.5 stars, and it's currently 40% off. You can even double these up if you want to have a little more ease when it comes to protecting them. But look at this. Yes, no more cracking, no more breaking, no more slamming together. Want a trick to never have to clean your microwave again? And yes, it is 7:58 a.m. Put a coffee filter over whatever you are cooking, and again, clean. Now it's time for me to upgrade my splatter cover. I love this, but oftentimes I will reach for a coffee filter. Found on Amazon here. It's a #1 bestseller, 30% off, over 61,000 ratings for a splatter cover. It promotes even cooking as well. Yes, that one's in my cart. I don't know about you, but my olive oil bottles and vinegar tend to get grease all over the outside from unnecessary drips. Grab your Dollar Tree little blades here. This came in a pack of 3. Use this every single day. Now that's cute. Put this over top, and you just made a beautiful skirt for your olive oil. Or maybe you prefer this. That way when you pour your olive oil, the coffee filter will absorb it rather than the outside of your bottle and your fingers getting all greasy. I found an excellent olive oil dispenser on Amazon that I loved equally as well. So let's see, Dollar Tree or Amazon. You can also use this for your white vinegar or basically anything that you pour out of here. Vegetable oil, corn oil. The bonus with the Amazon dispenser is that it will keep your olive oil fresher for longer. Look at all these water spots. And yes, I do use Jet Dry, but I still have this situation going on. Let's fix it. Get your alcohol spray that we just used and just use your coffee filter to polish it. It will not scratch it and it will clear it right up. Now I did find the same kit on Amazon, but it was like $19. I'm sure it works wonderful, but I like this Dollar Tree option better. Ah, much better. Take that, Jet Dry. This next one's really cool. Get a jar or a glass, some olive oil, and a coffee filter. Roll up your coffee filter and grab your Dollar Tree lighter. I just created a nice little life vest for our filter. Go ahead and light that baby and watch. You have made your very own candle lamp. Add your favorite essential oil, or you can even do some fabric softener to make your home smell amazing. Got dirty windows and mirrors? My kids always touch this one because it goes into our office from the kitchen, but just grab some filtered water if you have it. Take your coffee filter and go to town. I like to use the S technique or the Z method when it comes to window cleaning. Also, if you don't prefer the coffee filter, filter method, I'm obsessed with these E-Cloths. Nothing here is sponsored. These are equally amazing. I use them the same way that I use my Dollar Tree coffee filter. These are very highly rated and I have bought them over and over again. I have also bought them for gift. By the way, all of these ideas make for excellent gifts. Are you very hungry and don't know which snack to fill your bowl with? Not a problem. A little sweet, a little salty, perfect for a movie night. Here's some really great ones on Amazon. It has 4.4 stars. It's dishwasher safe. It's also microwavable safe. So I love both options. Let me know in that comments box below what your favorite snack combination is when it comes to movie watching. How about a screen cleaner? Yes, coffee filters work amazing. Let me look at all this. Ooh, can you see that? All right, you just saw how dirty that was when the light went out. So let's just clean this up. You can also spray just a little bit of rubbing alcohol on your coffee filter to help pick things up and sanitize your screen. At the end of the day, my face starts to get real oily after running around with 4 kids, so I love just using these as a face blotter. You can cut these up and put them in an old Altoids box, or you can go on Amazon. I did find some equally helpful face blotters when it comes to making you look fresh as a daisy. For my all-natural cleaning lovers out there, you are gonna love this one. Get yourself a good stack of coffee filters, a jar, and again, your vinegar, cleaning vinegar, regular vinegar, it doesn't really matter. Make sure that you saturate those very well. Now that you've got your coffee filters in your jar, you've got your vinegar in there, grab your favorite essential oils. I love lemon. By the way, I found the #1 best-selling essential oil on Amazon. It's in my cart right now. It has over 18,000 reviews. No joke, I just found this in the washing machine. That's what this is perfect for. I also got this from the Dollar Tree. It's magnetic. Now grab one of your saturated coffee filters and throw it in your dryer. This is also an alternative. I love this. I give this to so many people on my Christmas list. It's a dryer ball set. The volcano scent is delicious. Do you love taco night as much as I do, but you're tired of your taco spilling and tipping over? Now that is adorable. Walking tacos, anyone? If you do not love this Dollar Tree idea, these are one of my favorite Amazon goodies. You can put 3 tacos in here. You can put 2 tacos in these. I've talked about these many times on Amazon Live. By the way, every Friday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, my husband and I do go live on Amazon, so make sure that you check that out. It will be linked in the description box below. But these taco holders are microwavable and dishwasher safe. They have over 4.8 stars and 14,000 ratings. Need a spoon rest holder for when you're cooking something very greasy, tomato sauce, anything. I like to double it up depending upon what I am cooking. I found one on Amazon. It's a #1 bestseller. It's currently 40% off, has over 30,000 ratings. It is amazing. I am excited to give that away as a gift. But this Dollar Tree coffee filter option works great too. Do you love eggs or anything? Grab yourself a coffee filter, some butter. If you need to grease your pan, use this rather than paper towel. Oftentimes the paper towel will absorb more of the butter when you want more of it in your pan. Are you at a barbecue and need to keep wildlife and pests away? Grab yourself a stack of coffee filters. Want to remove your nail polish? Rather than using cotton balls, this works great too. Need to clean up some pet poop? Grab yourself some coffee filters. I also found the #1 bestseller on Amazon when it comes to pooper scoopers with over 80,000 reviews. I mean, you could really use coffee filters to pick up anything that you don't want to with your hands. This next one got me very excited. Well, they all got me very excited. I try to keep fresh produce in my fridge at all times, and I will use paper towel to absorb the moisture so that they last longer. Well, I actually prefer the coffee filter option. It looks way cuter, better presentation, makes me want to eat it. I also found a fridge organizer on Amazon. It's 29% off currently. It comes in a 6-pack. It's an Amazon choice product. I am so excited for this to arrive to my house. In the meantime, I'm going to be using my coffee filters to keep my produce fresher for longer. You can even put one on top here for good measure. And I don't know about you, but paper towels are pretty spendy. Or just maybe you need a pet food bowl when you are traveling. Keep a stack of these in your vehicle. I found an amazing alternative on Amazon. It's currently 14% off. It's an Amazon choice product. I am so excited about this. It has 18,000 reviews. It's a 2-pack. It comes in multiple colors. It's dishwasher safe. I do not have a dog, but for all of my dog loving friends, I am definitely going to be getting them one of these. A set of coffee filters and the Amazon product. Thumbs up if you can relate to this one. My cup holders in my vehicle tend to get real nasty, as you can see in there. One way to prevent this and to reduce your cleaning time is to go ahead, grab yourself a coffee filter. You can put your snacks in here. You can put your drinks in here. You can just use it to line your cup holders. I would put one here and put one here, but I also found some alternative ones on Amazon that I loved equally as well. In fact, I made an entire video about how to use coffee filters just in your vehicle. I'm going to link in the description box below for you. And then I like to take my little shark vacuum, which I've talked about in a previous video, and suck all those crumbs out. I'm just looking in the back seat here of our Suburban. I have 4 kids if you're new here, and look at how nasty that is. My shark is getting some use today. The items on Amazon for your cup holders are currently 35% off, over 6,000 ratings, and it comes in a 4-pack. This is my second best friend, the shark. My first best friend is this Tinko. Made an entire video about that. I'll link that in the description box below. Just use it this morning. In fact, I use it every single day. Never have messy stairs or a car again. This is amazing. Here's a little bonus tip for you. For your vacuums, put a little cotton ball in the inside with essential oil, and then every time you vacuum, it will smell so delicious.
Do you like freebies? Well, so do I. Head on over to andreajeancleaning.com, linked in the description box below, and here you will access free printables made especially for you by my team, such as tips to keep your washing machine running like new, your fall cleaning checklist, and my newest favorite is your stress-free holiday planner. Again, andreajeancleaning.com.
Also, if you're looking for some alternative amazing Amazon gift ideas, click the video on screen now and in that description box below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.